Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to check battery level on your headphones QCY T9 on your iOS device. Basically, you have a few options how to do it. The first one is to use a widget. So just click on empty space, then click on plus, scroll down, click on batteries. Now choose the best one for your widget. Let's say that's okay for me. Then click add widget and we can check a battery level. And the second option is to use an application. So open it and right here we can see a battery level. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!